Now let us take a look at few more rules of subject verb agreement. We will start with this first one. When there is one subject, okay, one subject means only one subject is used in a sentence and more than one verbs. एक subject के साथ एक से ज्यादा verbs का use होता है, then verbs throughout the sentence have to agree with the subject, okay, then the verbs will follow this वन सब्जेक्ट ओनली, ओके. जो वर्ब है वो किसके अकॉर्डिंग रहेगी, सिर्फ एक उसी सब्जेक्ट के अकॉर्डिंगली दैट वर्ब विल वर्क इन द होल सेंटेंस. लाइक रोजेस ग्रो इन ऑल क्लाइमेट. व्हाट इज द सब्जेक्ट हियर, व्हाट इज द सब्जेक्ट, रोजेस इज द सब्जेक्ट. रोजेस के साथ हमने कौन सा वर्ब लगाया, दिस इज द प्लूरल वर्ब, ओके. इन ऑल क्लाइमेट बट थ्राइव इन अ वार्म क्लाइमेट. So here thrive verb is also used for this same subject, okay. So here also plural verb will come. यहाँ पर भी plural verb ही आएगी, okay. यहाँ पर singular verb नहीं use होगी because we are using verb according to this one subject which is given in the beginning of the sentence, okay. The rose grows in all climate. यहाँ पर the rose is the singular subject है the rose. और इसके साथ रोज के साथ हमने कौन सी वर्ब यूज करनी है, सिंगुलर वर्ब वी विल यूज, ओके. और बाकी आगे कहीं पर भी अगर हमें वर्ब यूज करना होगा सो वी विल यूज सिंगुलर वर्ब ओनली. बट थ्राइव्स इन अ वार्म क्लाइमेट, सो थ्राइव्स इज ऑल्सो अ सिंगुलर वर्ब विच इज यूज अकॉर्डिंग टू द सब्जेक्ट द रोज, ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट रूल इज वी यूज अ सिंगुलर वर्ब विद द यूनिट्स ऑफ डिस्टेंस, पीरियड्स ऑफ टाइम, सम्स ऑफ मनी, ठीक है. डिस्टेंस, यूनिट्स ऑफ डिस्टेंस लाइक किलोमीटर्स, मीटर्स, यस किलोमीटर्स, मीटर्स, ये सारी डिस्टेंस यूनिट्स हैं, यू मस्ट हैव रेड इन मैथ्स. पीरियड्स ऑफ टाइम मीन्स at 9 p.m. okay, at 8 p.m. and sums of money 10 rupees, 100 rupees. आप बोलेंगे rupees is a plural verb. No, it is counted as a singular verb. It is counted as a singular सब्जेक्ट, ठीक है. ये सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट. किलोमीटर्स अगर हम यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हो कि यहाँ पर ऐसे आप ये बोल सकते हैं कि दिस इज द प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट. नो, दिस इज काउंटेड एज यूनिट्स ऑफ डिस्टेंस, पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, सम ऑफ मनी आर काउंटेड एज सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट. तो सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट के साथ सिंगुलर वर्ब विल बी यूज्ड, ओके. नाउ थर्ड इज वी यूज singular verbs with uncountable nouns such as money, information, water, sugar, beauty, love. All these are uncountable nouns. Yes, money is an uncountable noun, milk, sugar, yes, honey, okay. So all these are uncountable nouns. So uncountable nouns are also used with uncountable nouns we use singular verbs, ठीक है. Singular verbs like is, helping verbs, is, was, okay, does, ये सारे helping verbs हैं सिंगुलर. इन सारे अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स के साथ मीन्स अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स मीन्स अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स दैट आर यूज्ड एज सब्जेक्ट, ओके. लाइक लॉट ऑफ मनी हियर डू नॉट कंसिडर लॉट ऑफ मनी मीन्स प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट. दिस इज अ सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट ओनली, ओके. इफ यू विल लर्न ऑल दीज रूल्स इट विल बी वेरी वेरी इजी फॉर यू टू स्पीक correct English, ठीक है. It is very very important for your spoken English also to learn these rules, okay. Next is information on our school is अब information बहुत सारी भी हो सकती है, informations भी हो सकती हैं, but information is always count as a singular subject, as a singular noun it is used. तो singular noun के साथ singular verb का use होता है. The water is too hot, the water are too hot नहीं हो सकता, okay. So the water is also an uncountable noun. If it is used as a subject it will be considered as a singular subject, okay. Now next is we use singular verbs with collective nouns such as swarm, group, shoal and class. ये मैंने when we started this topic of collective noun then also I explained that collective nouns are always used as a single unit. collective nouns है singular सब्जेक्ट की तरह ही यूज किए जाते हैं. विद दिस वी यूज सिंगुलर वर्ब्स ओनली. लाइक द ग्रुप मीट्स एवरी वीक, द क्लास टॉक्स अ लॉट, यस टॉक्स, मीट्स, टॉक्स एंड इज, ऑल दीज आर सिंगुलर verbs, yes. Now what you have to do children, you have to I hope you all have understood all 3-4 rules here. They are very very easy. So you have to take the correct form of verb that agrees with the subject, okay. The monkey is a singular subject. Singular verb is climbs. Yes. We are talking or is walking to the park. We are walking or is walking. So we is a plural subject. We के साथ क्या आएगा? Are walking. Yes, we are walking. Just take few seconds to write the correct answer. Okay, no need to hurry. So this is your homework. I hope you all will be able to do this. Okay. Now third question. Fill in the blanks with the verbs from the box below. Okay. One of my friends dash to Delhi. One of my friends. Here the subject is singular. One of my friends. मेरे friend में से एक. Okay. Dash to Delhi. Has gone to Delhi. Okay. One of my friends has. So this is the singular subject. Singular subject के साथ singular verb has gone. Okay. One of my boys dash a present. One. Here again one. Okay. One means singular. Okay. Boys बहुत सारे लेकिन उनमें से एक. One of my boys was given a present. One of my boys was given a present. Oil and water dash not mix. Oil and water becomes two entities. Becomes two. This is the plural subject. Okay. Plural subject के साथ oil and water do not. This is the plural subject, plural verb. So here will come do not. You have to choose these verbs according to the subject and according to the sense of the sentence. Okay. You have to identify which group of words or which verb will come in which sentence. Okay. So 3 we have already done. These 2 you will be doing in homework. Okay. I hope you will be able to do this. Now question number 4. Identify the incorrect verbs and rewrite the sentences correctly. आपको incorrect verbs को पहचानना है. Obviously verbs that are not in agreement with the subject you will identify and will rewrite them. Okay. Now first is projects helps student improve and understands a topic better. So बेटा projects is a plural subject. Projects के साथ helps आएगा? No. Projects के साथ क्या आएगा? Help. Projects help students improve and understand a topic better. Also write the rule you follow to correct the verb. Here with plural subject we follow the plural verb. Okay. Now next is the coffee are kept in the glass bottle. The coffee are kept. Here the coffee is a subject which is an uncountable noun. कॉफी क्या है? अनकाउंटेबल नाउन है. कॉफी के साथ आर यूज नहीं हो सकता. अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स के साथ, अनकाउंटेबल सब्जेक्ट के साथ, नाउन दैट आर यूज्ड एज सब्जेक्ट वी ऑलवेज यूज सिंगुलर वर्ब. सो यहाँ पर आर की जगह इज आएगा. इज केप्ट इन दी ग्लास बॉटल. ओके. 5 किलोमीटर्स आर टू फार टू वॉक. 5 किलोमीटर्स इज द यूनिट ऑफ डिस्टेंस. ओके. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो यूज्ड एज अ सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट. ओके. Now I hope you all will be able to do D, E, F and G part, H, I and J part on your own. ठीक है. This is your homework. Try to do this. We will be discussing the answers. Okay. But try to do this on your own. Now question number 5. Identify the question number 5. What this question is saying. The question is saying identify the errors in subject verb agreement and rewrite the sentences correctly. This is as same as question number 4. Tariq and his mother teaches music. Tariq and his mother becomes the plural subject. ये plural subject बन गए तो plural subject के साथ plural verb आएगा. So this is incorrectly used here. So what will come here? Teach. Okay. What will come here? Teach. Now next is the teacher and the student is reading the same poem. Again the teacher and the student. Again the plural subject. तो plural subject के साथ are, not is. The rice are boiling on the stove. The rice is an uncountable noun. Rice uncountable noun है. So uncountable noun के साथ what will come is. The this bottle have 2 liters of water in it. This bottle is a singular subject. Singular subject के साथ has आता है. No. What will come here? Has. Okay. This last one you will try on your own. Okay. I hope this topic is clear to all of you. If you do not understand anything, you can ask me on my personal number. Okay. I will make your doubt clear. Thank you.